Today, we're diving into the 10 most shocking events of 2024 that left the world stunned. From political turmoil to natural disasters, these moments reshaped history. Stay tuned because number 5 will blow your mind. Let's kick things off with the heat wave in Las Vegas, where temperatures soared past 120 deaths, resulting in 491 tragic deaths and massive power outages. Imagine living in that furnace. It was one for the record books. Over in Asia, Typhoon Yagi caused chaos, claiming more than 600 lives and leaving cities underwater. The destruction was catastrophic, reminding us of the power of nature. After 2 decades of leadership, Bangladesh's Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina stepped down amidst corruption allegations and public protests. Her departure marked a turning point for the nation's political landscape. In Syria, history was rewritten as Bashar al-Assad's regime fell after decades of control. Insurgents seized power, creating chaos and uncertainty about the country's future. Japan faced a devastating 7.5 magnitude earthquake in the Noto Peninsula, resulting in 281 lives lost and leaving thousands homeless. The resilience of the Japanese people truly shone through. Over in Spain, flash floods hit Valencia, causing massive destruction and claiming 216 lives. Entire neighborhoods were submerged in water. It was an unforgettable tragedy. In Bangladesh, a severe heat wave led to the closure of schools nationwide, impacting 33 million children. It was a harsh reminder of the effects of climate change. After Assad's fall, Syria's new leadership faced immediate challenges, with protests, ambushes, and questions about the country's future stability dominating headlines. Zambia experienced a crippling drought, leading to widespread food shortages and economic turmoil. Millions were affected, struggling to access basic necessities like water and food. Finally, in August, devastating floods in Bangladesh affected over 5.8 million people, displacing more than 500,000 and leaving at least 71 dead. It was one of the worst floods the nation has seen in decades. And there you have it, minus 10 shocking events that shook the world in 2024. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. See you next time.